Hello friends, so I can show you guys this in this video. You can earn every day more than 2000 rupees even in few minutes. So I'll show you some tricks, and if you follow that trick, you are going to earn every day minimum 2000 rupees in few minutes. So this is my Zerodha Demat account, and you can see here I have created list. In this list I have kept so many companies, like all pharmacy companies I have kept in this list number 1. In list number 2 I have kept like banks, all banks, and here in list number 5 I have like Asian Paint. So I have, you can see here, 300 share of Asian Paint. So I'm just going to focus on chart, and I am going to use simple indicator here. You can see here this is called Bollinger Band, and see, I will use this Bollinger Band. I am going to see I have earned today this much amount, 6000 rupees, and I am going to exit my order. $300. So I am going to modify my order by rupees 13. I have modified. Here 350, and see, it has done. So total I have made 6800 rupees profit today. Okay, now I'll show you, means you also can earn more than 2000 rupees every day just by going through some of the indicators that I always set. So here I'll show you some indicators chart. So basically guys, I use only 3 moving average, moving average 50, moving average 20, moving average 10, and 1 Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands I have taken it as by default. So simple funda, if you can see here, like here in this Bollinger Band, if you see, like if any candle is touches or going out of this Bollinger Band, you will have to place order just around this, means around 2028 to 2030. In between, if you place order of sell, you will definitely get profit. See, 2019-18 means if you are getting more than 8 points, you will have more than 5000 if you have taken only 200 shares. So similarly calculate, if you take more than 1000 shares, you will earn more than 10,000 rupees per month, per day. But here, if I am just ignoring and I just don't want to take any risks, and I just want to play with a 5 to 2 to 5 points, that's it. So at this moment, means 20 to 18 I can sell, and I can buy अराउंड 22-14, मीन्स 4 रुपये का यदि आप गैप लेकर के करते हैं तो आप कभी भी लॉस में नहीं रहेंगे. हमेशा 4 रुपये का गैप लेकर के करना है, हमेशा 4 रुपये का गैप, मीन्स 4 रुपये में ही आपको या प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस हो, आपको एग्जिट कर लेना है. तो आप 100% आपको प्रॉफिट ही होगा, लॉस नहीं हो सकता है. लेकिन यदि आप ज़्यादा सोचेंगे, लालच करेंगे, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली बी इन लॉस. मीन्स जस्ट गो थ्रू ओनली 4 points ups and down, and you will have to take quick decision. Then you can definitely earn more than 2000 rupees per month. Here, see this red color moving average, that is 50 moving average that I have set here, and black color 20 moving average, and this blue color is 10 moving average. So I just do only by following these 3 moving averages and this Bollinger Band. And if you also do this, you will definitely get profited, right? So guys, you can see here the total profit that I have made today. We can also see in console. So in console, like console, I'm going to console and I'm going to select from day and 2. So any date you can select here. So you can see here 12,000 profit that I have made, in which 6,000 loss that I earlier committed. So total net profit is more than 6,000 for today only, right? So in this way, if you follow only 3 of all the moving averages, and if you have set, and if you are doing technically and professionally this trading, you will definitely get profited always. Okay guys, so I'll come in the next video with the new tricks and technology that will really help you to have benefited in the market, right? And I'll in the next video I'll show you what is the actual and accurate time to jump into the market and to exit from the market. Okay, so in the next video is really will be very interested, and till then guys, keep doing your trade with very security and safety. Okay.